it's Fata, and I'm back again after a decade. So yeah, I decided that I want to do a DIY Galaxy Unicorn peel-off face mask. So I did it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that notification button if you don't want to be missed. Also, follow me on my social media, link down below, and follow my Instagram please. At Fata18, it's so easy. Alright, stop talking, let's get started. So you're gonna need a jar container, some transparent glue, make sure it's non-toxic glue so it'll be safe for your skin, a little bit of illuminating face cream inside, and also some glitters because glitter is the main ingredients of the DIY project obviously. I decided to choose these colors so I can turn them all into a Galaxy Unicorn peel-off face mask. You'll see it'll be so pretty. Alright, first thing first, put some glue into the container. Then you just have to put some glitters in it. I put some more glue in it, and by the way I put some more aloe vera gel because aloe vera gel is very good for your skin, so it'll be a moisturizing face mask. I just forgot to record it, so yeah, this is the video of me pouring some glue into the container. You also need a plastic spoon like this to mix all the ingredients. And then you just have to mix it all together. I put some more glitter because I want to get out such a vibrant color that I want. The more glitter, the more vibrant color that you'll get. Well, this is actually not the color I want, so I put some more glitter in it behind the camera. I'll show you when I apply the mask on. Secure the lid and put it in the fridge for about an hour to get that cooling sensation. And voila! This is it! A Galaxy Unicorn peel-off face mask. And ta-da! This is the mask. I'll show you the color I want. Wait a second. This is it. So I'm gonna be applying this mask on my face. Look at this face mask. It's so gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna put this mask on. Gosh, it smells so good. It smells like aloe vera gel, so I'm gonna put this on. Ooh, there's a lot of glitters. Wow, it's so much glitter. Put it all over your face and let it dry for 30 minutes. Alright, it's time to peel this mask off. As you can see, it's completely dry. So yeah, let's take this off. Take a look at this. It's so pretty, and we can put this on again just for play. My skin feels so soft. I'm gonna wash my face and I'll be right back. Did you like the video? Are you gonna try the mask? Well, if so, make sure to follow me on my Instagram at Fata18, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!